एक्सक्लूसिव आजियो सेल हॉल प्लस माई रिकमेंडेशंस, क्योंकि आई हैड टू शॉप फॉर ऑल ऑफ दिस बहुत एडवांस में, ताकि मैं आपको सेल के टाइम पे बता सकूं व्हाट आर माय फेवरेट आइटम्स। क्योंकि जैसे जैसे दिवाली पास आ रहा है ना, ये बड़े बड़े सेल्स आने वाले, जैसे आजियो का बिग बोल्ड डे शुरू हो गया एंड आई थिंक और बहुत प्लेटफॉर्म से बहुत सेल्स आने वाले हैं। तो मेजरली मेरा स्टाइल काफी ट्रांजिशन हो रहा है टू इंडियन वेयर। लाइक इफ यूर पार्ट ऑफ इंस्टा फैमिली देन यू नो कि साड़ीज एंड कुर्तीज एंड ऑल काफी हो रहा है, बहुत अडल्ट वाली फीलिंग आ रही है बेसिकली। बट इन दिस वीडियो आई हैव लिटिल बिट ऑफ इंडो वेस्टर्न, जो बहुत ही यूनिक पीसेस है एंड अ लॉट ऑफ माय वेस्टर्न स्टाइल टू। और पर्सनली ना मुझे लेटी शॉप्स यूज करते करते ऑलमोस्ट 1 साल अब हो चुका है एंड द सेविंग्स दैट आई हैव एक्चुअली बीन एबल टू विथड्रॉ टू माय बैंक अकाउंट आर ह्यूज। बट वी हैव also grown a lot since last year. So for all our new members, Letyshops is a cashback providing app with more than 20 million users worldwide. They provide a lot of cashback on Myntra, Ajio and more than 3,000 other stores. The best part is कि this app is 100% free, but I'll tell you more about it later. Abhi, let's start the haul. So the first category will be the newest addition to my style, which is Indo-Western. पहला outfit है ये global देसी का beautiful maxi dress. इसमें काफी vibrant colors है like blue, red, yellow. There's also a rope to cinch on the waist and the border is also quite bold. So this with jutis, jhumke and a hobo bag, बहुत ही मस्त look लग सकता है. Now I never thought I'd be carrying these kind of looks, but I'm relating a lot to these days. The second outfit is a blue and white tie and dye sort of jumpsuit. Now jumpsuits can look very chic because the silhouette includes a band structure and they're always fitted from the waist. You can style this either way. If you want to make it more chic, you can pair up black accessories like black heels and a black structured bag. But if you want to take it the fun route, you can pair along a jute bag with say white heels or even red heels. But they're the easiest to style because it's a one piece, but they look very smart. Again, Insta family knows my love for dresses. So how could I leave short dresses out of this? This is the third item, which is an ikat print mini dress. ऊपर से काफी modest है because the neckline, the sleeves, it's all covered. But नीचे से it's quite flowy. It's so comfortable to wear, and you can again style this with like tan chappals and a jute bag, झुमके. आजकल मेरे को ये looks ही बहुत पसंद आ रहे हैं. If you like to be more structured, तो mini dress में ही I found this blazer dress. ये category बहुत fascinating और intriguing है यार. This one sleeveless. I would have felt more comfortable with sleeves on this kind of a dress because it draws a lot of attention to the arms and I have not been working out जो दिख के आता है. The front side has button placements but they have a fake button because अंदर ना टिच बटन है, which is so convenient क्योंकि real buttons को थोड़ा टाइम लगता है ना, तो उन्होंने लुक दिया है real बटन का पर अंदर से टिचकी वाला बटन है. Overall, it's a very smart piece and I absolutely love it. Similar to the first outfit, I picked another one in a sea greenish color with red and yellow accents. Like a color combo of blue, green, red and yellow काफी Indian like vibrant side पे लेके जाता है. The cut is I think exactly the same with tassels on the waist to cinch it, to give it shape and with a flowy bottom. It's just that this one has a little bit of a frill and has a V neckline. And this is completely modest. अगर आप जरा सा भी uncomfortable feel करते हो with sleeveless या low neck, this is gonna keep you covered and still with like a messy bun. Even if you have like 3-day-old hair like me, must लगेगा ये. If it's a Haley haul, how can we not have something strappy? I did look for something, but I was waiting for a sale to hit it. So I'll order it with you basically. But this one had a very interesting bag. बहुत ही fancy सा था, something out of Pinterest. And the bottom is more flowy than the others. So this one I found very dainty and I thought कि बहुत ही मस्त वाइब देगा, especially in summers तो ये और भी अच्छा लग सकता है. Now let's move on to bags. If you're gonna wear these outfits every day, you can take along a golden backpack like this, which I know is very small, so it will not serve for college wear. But if you're just going here and there, and if you don't want a sling by your side, you want to be hands-free, but still something to complement these looks, this golden bag is it. And if you usually struggle with pairing bags, black is your color. Black सब चीजों पे जाता है. So if you're looking for a good black bag, again the sale is the best time. You can either invest in a small bag like this. इसमें तो दोनों टाइप के हैंडल्स हैं. एक छोटू हैंडल in case you want to carry it in your hand and one golden sling strap. This particular bag is from a brand called Outright and Outright really did have a lot of good pieces. Alternatively, if you want something little more feminine, you can opt for something like this, which is also quite in trend. So this is a ruched bag जिसमें ऐसे pleats है, like वो बंधा हुआ है basically, it's cinched. This also has a very trendy chunky chain है ना, बहुत trend में है ये वैसे भी आजकल. This I think is a total accent and has a zip attached to it. If it's on a good sale and if it fits your budget, ये सच में ऐसी बैग लग रही है जो बहुत टाइम तक चलेगी. And lastly, you can just experiment and go with any sort of bag. I recently saw Ashna Shroff wearing a Louis Vuitton bag which was a similar shape. Now I too saw her after I placed the order, but these kind of duffel sling bags are very much in trend and pastels are all over since I think 6 months now, which is why I bought this blue pastel bag. And main compartment में तो there's a lot of space. So I really like it when brands ship the bags like this ताकि ये damage ना हो आते आते. ये इस ड्रेस के साथ भी काफ़ी मस्त लग सकती है. Let me show you some shoes now क्योंकि तीनों ही बहुत अच्छे हैं. तो first ones are these black chappals. Now they are very versatile. They can go with the Indo-Western dresses we saw, and they'll also go with the next thing I'm about to show you, which are Western dresses. They were at a steal price. I think I got them for around 300 rupees, and the sole is quite sturdy and the look is very modern too. The next ones, you are not ready for them. They are these statement heels. They literally feel like Cinderella ka shoe because this whole acrylic is very heavy in weight. It also has a little bit of a platform in the front which should make the shoe more comfortable. Because I haven't walked in it a lot, so I'm not going to go outright and just say it is comfortable without trying it enough. And the final category I wanted to show you were chunky sneakers. क्योंकि जब इसका ट्रेंड आया था मुझे पर्सनली लगा था कि जल्दी it'll be dead, but it's not. Chunky sneakers are still out there. You know why I think? क्योंकि usually fashion is pain वाली चीज़ें ट्रेंड होती है, but these on the other hand are ultra comfortable because the sole is so thick. You have a lot of room to put अच्छा material inside, right, which makes you feel comfortable when you walk. So people still wear them everywhere and they're still evidently in trends. Now let me tell you how you can use Letyshops and also save amounts every single time you shop. This app is actually very easy to use. To download it, I've kept a link in the description box, so click करके you can download it right on your phone. Once downloaded, you can sign up with your email ID and password. But now that you're in, you will see all the top websites like Myntra, Ajio, Swiggy, etc. Select the store you want to shop at. For example, I'll show you Ajio because I shopped on Ajio. So you have to click on the blue button जिस पे go to store लिखा है. Once you click on that, Letyshops will take you to that particular website and you have to shop just like how you shop every single time. कोई change नहीं है interface में, बिल्कुल problem नहीं होगी. Now here's a few things you can do to make sure your cashback gets tracked every time. आपका कार्ट खाली रखना before you start shopping, and every time you want to visit the website, go through Letyshops only. Like even if you want to check your order status, it's better to go through Letyshops. बस directly मत जाना. And then once you place your order, your cashback will get tracked under the My Cashback section. पर उसका order status pending रहेगा. तो if you don't return or exchange your items, then your cashback will eventually get reflected there. और 250 rupees जमा होने के बाद आप आपके बैंक में उसको directly withdraw कर सकते हो. Don't worry, you can return and exchange your items. वो option चले नहीं जाता है, but बस फिर उसके लिए cashback eligible नहीं होता. Cashback withdrawal का process भी इतना fast और smooth है ना कि same day मुझे तो पैसे आ चुके हैं. Like every time I withdraw, I get money directly in my bank account on the very same day. Why I feel so good in telling you about this is because I've actually saved 4 figures my money through using Letyshops. Personally, I've known Letyshops to be a grand celebrator of everything. So for Diwali, they're hosting a Maha Diwali festival where you can participate in the biggest giveaway that's ever been. क्योंकि इसमें prizes are like MacBook Pro, iPhone 13, Smart TV and a lot of other gifts. मैंने खुद ही iPhone का giveaway कराया और उनके collaboration में साथ, so I know कि this is legit. ये miss मत करना यार, it's actually very big. So the link to Letyshops is in the description box down below. So do use it if you like anything else. So let's move on to the Western dresses now. The very first thing is what I'm wearing. The shoulders are so beautifully structured of this blue dress. I get asked all the time on my Instagram कि where are my dresses from, because my dresses are usually very girly, very dainty, like बहुत feminine से, बहुत ही कैसे बोलूँ flary से dresses होता है, तो मुझे वही shape काफी पसंद आता है. So this one belongs exactly to that category. In dresses, Mish was the brand that really stood out to me because the model photos looked phenomenal and the dresses have also come like that. The second dress is also from Mish. It's a white colored floral dress. This is my vibe. I'm always this like blossomy mood mein, so even though I know summer is far away, I still like wear these kind of dresses and then I layer with jackets to keep myself warm. This is also fit and flare with little ruffles on the sleeves and a small v-neck. The third thing that only Insta family would know is the mother-daughter series. Actually YouTube shorts में भी हमने करे वैसे तो. So I wanted to twin with Mama, and that's why in the same fabric I found a different kind of dress, which is this strappy dress. It has mock buttons in the front and it's sort of a midi dress. So personally, I'm very choosy about midi dresses. They need to fit really well for me to feel comfortable and enjoy them, and this dress was exactly like that. Another one that I really liked is this sea green floral dress, which has I think almost the same cut from the front, a V-neck with round dory wale straps, and from the bottom there's a 3-layer frill which gives a little bit of a doll vibe to it. Then a couple of black dresses which I thought would be great for autumn included this. So this one has sheer sleeves of the same printed fabric used on the dress, which I thought made it look very smart and adds a modest feature to it while still making it edgy. The neck has small ruffle details with a boat neck, and the red and black combination looks very nice. Tie-ups also look very pretty. So this one has strappy details with tie-ups and is a meaty dress which does not have any ruffle at the bottom, but the fit on the top is so good that it makes a very good silhouette. Last but 100% not the least is this yellow dress. Yellow is our color. This is also from Mish. It has ruffles all over on the strap, through the neck, and even at the back actually. This one is dual layered, like there's a sheer fabric on the top and then there's of course lining inside, and it has a very small frill in the end. Overall it's a very floaty dress. Oh, I forgot to show you one bag. It's this jhola. Like, jhola is a very desi way to describe it, but that's what we call it na. I've seen these kind of bags go for hundreds of dollars on foreign brands, but with those kind of dresses, like the Indo-Western dresses, you can carry these kind of bags as well, just again with jhumkas and chappals in case you want to fit more stuff. The next category are tops, and I have Western and Indo-Western both. Indo-Western wale to bahut hi zyada achhe hain. So in Western, I picked two tops. The first one is a tie-up detailed white top, which is ruching on the chest, so it's ultra stretchable. It fits very very well. it's just that मुझे टाई अप ना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है, और ये टॉप ने ना स्टिच करके रखा है हल्का सा, ताकि it can't like completely open and malfunction, which is a very very good detailing. The second one is so cute because it has the initial H on it. Now सारे initials तो नहीं थे यार, ये ब्रांड का नाम भी Trendyol है. Trendyol का कलेक्शन भी बहुत अच्छा होता है. So I don't know why did they randomly have an H, but it just felt special, which is why I wanted this. And grey तो versatile है, सबके साथ जाता है. So you can check out for initial t-shirts. And now coming to short kurtis or Indo-Western tops. First one is this green short top kurti. Indo-Western tops में Swarna was one brand जो बहुत ही अच्छे, like इनका collection मुझे बहुत पसंद आ रहा था. So this olive green one would look bomb with white cigarette pants from the Indian section. Now you can wear this with denim also. Second one तो बहुत ही basic सा है. It's a sleeveless kurti. तो ये तो everyday wear के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा because इसका material pure cotton जैसा feel हो रहा है. I haven't checked the composition completely, but to touch it, it's a very thanda material. It has some cute print on it and again can be worn with jeans very nicely. Jeans, jhumkas, jutis. And the last one is a patola print top. Oh my goodness, I had seen Sara Ali Khan ka picture on Pinterest when I was searching for Indo-Western looks wearing something similar to this. I mean, of course, उन्होंने तो कुछ designer पहना था, but the cut was something like this. One more Western top is this blue one from Michigan. ये जो spring vibe है ना, spring summer vibe, like bright colors, cool prints from the nature. I think that's my aesthetic, which is to stay. So this one falls right under it, and that's why I loved it. Was almost nearing the end. I have one denim jacket to show you. There were a lot. So there's a neon green one which really caught my eyes from Ants, and there's a black one which also looked very good. But this is a classic blue denim jacket, yaar. Can never go wrong with this, and this was just around 600. That too when I ordered it, so I'm hoping in the sale it should be even cheaper. It just fits very well, and it isn't like body hugging. That's not the style that I like my denim jackets to be. I want them to fall a little bit in a relaxed way, and this does exactly that. Second last category would be bottoms, and the only bottom that has reached me on time is this black pair of pants. This one is quite stretchable, so along with giving a good look, it's also going to be very comfortable on you. Orchid Blues is a brand that really stood out for good bottoms. Like they had bottoms in the 500 rupee range which looked very edgy and did look like it will be good material too. And finally coming to accessories, I found one unique category which were belts for the traditional outfits. अब traditional outfits काफ़ी बार एकदम made to measure नहीं होते. जैसे रिया के रोका पे मैंने एक XL size का jumpsuit पहना था from the Indo-Western section, and the only reason I could make it work was because मेरे पास एक pearl वाला belt था. If you want to wear any kurtis in the daily wear which aren't fitting you that well, और आपको टेलर के पास जाने को कंटाला आ रहा है ना, then you can invest in these kind of belts because they're free size ना, इसमें elastic है, तो they last quite long, and इसकी pattern काफ़ी subtle भी है. It's not very zigzag. तो एक मुझे ये I don't know whether to call this moti or not, but I found this one which is quite subtle but will go very well with any kurti, and this is the other one, pink and white. If you have any upcoming weddings in your family, then Zaveri Pearls on Ajio has the most reasonable pricing, because when I was shopping for Riya's wedding, Ajio की delivery मुझे late आ रही थी. So I think I ordered it from Myntra, but Zaveri Pearls is way cheaper on Ajio. So you can definitely check them out. I'll show you a few sets that I got. Like I got a beautiful green set and इतना heavy look दे रहा था despite being only for around 600 rupees. Alternatively, you can also go just for earrings or jhumkas like this, because not everyone feels comfortable to go to the street market sets. So if you're looking for some good jewelry and jhumkas, Zaveri Pearls have got you covered. And that sums it up for our Ajio haul this time. I hope I could help you if you wanted to shop this season. If you didn't want to shop and if you just wanted to live vicariously through me, that's also fine. Not trying to push product down your throat. This is just me showing my style to you in case you relate to it. Do remember to download the Letyshops app for huge savings all year round for years to come, and also remember to participate in the Maha Diwali festival. It starts very soon and you can walk away with actual benefits, because savings to वैसे भी होनी है through cashback, but there's also extra discounts, there's cashback boosters, there's extra prizes, so only a win-win for everybody. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future hauls and styling videos. If you did not enjoy watching this video, bindas give it a thumbs down. I will see you in a brand new video very soon. Until then, goodbye.